Hi, this is James from ALYN BREWIS in Ashton. Here we've got a really clean 2013 Mini First 1.6 3-door presented in Chilli Red. We've had this car machine polished in the time we've had it and it's come up really well. I've owned 3 of these personally. I'll admit I've got a bit of a soft spot for them, as a lot of people do. For good reason, they're a nice car. This particular car has had 3 owners from new. The last one has had it since 2016 up until present. So since it was just a few years old. So you've got the speedo in the middle there, but you can also have your speed on the little screen on there, so you don't have to look over.